Ain't it typical? I deleted the video, so gotta do this over again. But I found a bug, so let's get to it. First, I'm gonna just UV map this one using MakeUV, PLG MakeUV, and yeah, need to take those edges first, and gotta do that in order to create that UV. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. And doesn't this look smooth? Yes, it does. Right. Why did that happen? It happened because these guys here are not in the 0 position. 0. So, and then I need to merge them, and now it's not going to crash, hopefully. So let's check it out. Let's run that over again. At least now you know that PLG might very well crash. It's quite stable though. It's very, I've had very few crashes with it. Right? So same thing, but now it should work. So I'm gonna use these settings now. So MakeUV, and that's good. It looks pretty good. All I need to do is I need to turn FreeMove off, take these guys, use this plugin, select UV Island. Hint for NT is to create that plugin. I think it's only 32-bit. I'm not quite sure, but I think so. What happened? Oh, press Y. Rotate this. Yeah, well, it's pretty good. You can see it's not perfect, but it's quite close. So that's how you do that. Now, that was wrong. Polygons. Now, if you want to map half of it, it's actually another approach, and but I'll show you. Show you how to go about it. It's not that different, but it's not that close either. So. Can't believe I'm doing this over again just because I deleted that stupid video. Okay, if I say MakeUV now, we'll see that, well, it doesn't look the same, does it? You can see that these are spread down here, and also you got this angle here. We don't want that, so I'm going to set this to 0 and this one to 100, I think. Let's try it. MakeUV. Yeah, there we go. So that's pretty good, except for this one. That looks like junk. So, what to do? I'm going to take this one. What? Yeah, click the wrong plugin. Select that one and invert and Control U to unweld. Invert again, and now this is where I leave PLG and I go to, and I use time don't use this UV map. That's going to create a new UV map and it's just going to screw things up. You're using this one, which is this. So do that. So now all we need to do is we need to use planar, of course, in the set. That's what we're using. And copy the set value, because that's the largest 140, to these guys here as well. Great, and there you go. Quite big, but it has the right aspect, the right proportions. So, not bad, looks very good. Except, we got these guys here that are not really mapped. So, select the points, and I do what I always do. I use the scale tool, and I use the, what's it called? I always forget. Action Center Selection. That's what I always use. And I scale that down to what I think is correct. And just move that down manually. Right, so if you want that more accurate, just zoom in. Almost there. I'm going to expand this selection. Something like that. And the reason for doing that, I'm going to relax these guys here. So what I need to do is I need to invert this now. Seems kind of weird to invert it, I guess, but that's what you do. And relax UV. And I'll set this to 1501. Say OK. Now I can see that it's relaxed. If you want to line this up now, you can use UV taut. UV taut. All right. I think that's it. Another approach to UV mapping.